Warrior Home proposed the idea of constructing a net zero energy home with solar panels to the Housing Authority of the Chippewa of Nawash Indigenous community and Habitat for Humanity Grey Bruce director. And through this, by talking with the chief and band council of the Chippewa Nawash Indigenous community, we slowly built a partnership.
Warrior Home is a unique opportunity where you are able to work with students from different faculties to design a home for a family that needs it in a really unique circumstance. One of the family members who are living in the home have potential for visual impairment as well as physical impairment. So the fact that we were able to create a design that meets the needs of the family was very unique. For example, there are railings in the home to help with mobility, as well as extra lighting to help as a visual aid. And of course, all the entryways and doors were all accessible, so they were 3 feet wide.
So one of the really cool features of our home is that we're using a heat pump system. That includes a heat pump to do the heating and cooling, as well as a heat pump water heater to provide hot water to the home. And so the heat pump system is great because we have one with a resistance heater so that it can accommodate the cold climates, and as well as be able to just maintain cooling and heating for the home year-round. We also have it attached to a Nest thermostat so that the homeowner can just control it with her phone, whether she is at home or outside of her house. One of the main benefits of using a heat pump system, in addition to the energy benefits, is that it uses no fossil fuels.
The building closure was designed with the purpose of energy conservation, affordability, and building material durability in mind. Simple cost-effective features such as 2x6 studs spaced 24 inches on center, exterior foam insulation, insulated concrete form foundation, and raised heel truss roof systems were implemented. These design features were a fine balance between performance and affordability, further emphasizing the practicality of affordable net zero homes.
The impact that this project had on me was actually going and seeing the family using their house and being happy with the house that we've designed and built.
It felt like I won the lottery. It felt bigger than the lottery, you know, because I get to be closer to my grandparents. I get to be close to my mom. I get to be here and be part of our community, which we've always wanted to. And my daughter with special needs, you know, this is her home.
Most Canadians don't understand what goes on in a First Nation community. They don't realize the conditions that we live in. And then you hear of all these great organizations going to help third world countries. Well, I can show you third world conditions right here.
In one of the richest countries per capita, to have the amount of homelessness we have is shameful, even in this community. So how do we house those people? Give them a bit of stability, allow them to keep a degree of self-esteem, and yet be close to services.
Right off the hop, I started realizing the benefits that I was blind to. It's done so much to create a more cohesive relationship with members.
It's impacted the community big time in a good way. It's been a good experience. I've been proud to be on side with Habitat and also your group. It's something that you guys should be proud of. I think we're getting phone calls from other communities because they want to get involved.
It really drives me in terms of how much support I received from the community and how engaged they were. And they overwhelmed Habitat in terms of volunteer numbers that they've never received before in any of their projects. The project now is being replicated in 4 communities next year. So partly in thanks to collaboration with your team, I see it as a beginning